Meaning of dime novel.
Dime novel.
Dime novel.
Dime novel.
Dime novel. A dime novel is a type of paperback book that was popular in the United States during the late 19th and early 20th centuries. They were called dime novels because they usually cost only 10 cents, making them affordable for the average person. Dime novels often featured sensational and melodramatic stories, with titles like The Pirate's Secret, The Haunted Mansion, and The Indian Queen's Revenge. While the quality of writing was sometimes criticized, dime novels played an important role in popularizing reading and literature among the working class.